And I was not allowed to tell anyone I was Jewish.
And somehow I never let go of my weapon.
The Constitution guarantees marriage equality.
I'm a Negro, and I'm very
But
proud
I
of it.
remember the feeling that it left.
I remember again that some friend of my father came to my mother that she should close the business and she should send everybody away from us because they preparing big demonstration against us. And that is another thing that I still hear the drums of Hitlerjugend coming from downtown toward our home. So this was one, I would say, the most terrible day in my life, that I knew that they want to do something to us, the demonstrators. And they did attack our home. They broke the windows. They took whatever that they were able to take out. And I remember also that one of the Nazis like moved the curtain and did like that to us. So that minute, my mother grabbed us with my sister, and we ran into the attic to just not to be there. Mm-hmm. We heard water running all the time, so my mother thought that they flooding our house and everything. When we came down, so the water was red. We had already prepared carbs for Christmas time, and they were in that red water. They cut their hands by the glass and washed their hands in the bathtub. When they left, my mother was not allowed to take pictures what they left on the house, you know, Juden raus, Juden nach Palästina and all that. The entrance to the store, there were hanging like Jews. And so only she had to have it covered, and we were expelled.